Iowa's new abortion law put on hold.
A judge in Polk County issued an injunction today to block the state from implementing the restrictions. That is tonight's top story. The judge issued a temporary injunction. Today's ruling means it keeps the state from enforcing a ban on most abortions after 6 weeks of pregnancy. Republicans passed the bill last Tuesday during the special session. Governor Kim Reynolds signed it into law on Friday. Abortion rights groups immediately filed suit to block it. At the center of this is whether the law creates undue burden, meaning a law creates a difficult obstacle to getting an abortion.
We are hoping that this order stays in place for as long as possible. Right now, if the state doesn't do anything to appeal, the order does stay in place for the pendency of the litigation. And so that could be, months and months. If the state does seek an appeal in this case, however, there's a chance that it will be stayed by the Supreme Court. All that is in the ball's in the state's court on that issue.
Iowa started enforcing the law Friday after the governor signed the bill. Planned Parenthood's CEO says their staff stayed open late last week to see as many patients as possible before the law took effect.
There were hundreds of phone calls that were made as we were trying to prepare patients for this new reality that we find ourselves in with this manufactured confusion.
Governor Reynolds responded to the injunction quickly in a statement saying, in part, in their own words, the abortion industry stressed the need for a temporary injunction so they could continue with 200 scheduled abortions in the next 2 weeks. While life was protected for a few days, now even more innocent babies will be lost. She promises to take the fight to the Supreme Court if necessary.